this video, I will show you how to transfer Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So first of all, open Coinbase and then click on Transfer at the bottom right. Click on Send Crypto. And in this section, we need to paste in the wallet address from Trust Wallet. So let's go over to Trust Wallet to obtain this wallet address. From your Home tab, click on Receive, select Ethereum in here. And we can see that the network is Ethereum in the black box. And right now we need to click on Copy. And now we go back to our Coinbase. So paste in the wallet address and then click at the wallet section just down below. Select Ethereum. Select the network Ethereum in here because we have also selected Ethereum in our Trust Wallet. So go ahead and click on Ethereum. Enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to send, and I'm just going to send everything I have. Right now click on Self-Custody Wallet. If you're sending to yourself, then fill in this checkbox, and otherwise enter the recipient's full name and recipient's country of residence, and after click on Continue at the bottom. Confirm your transfer by clicking on Send Now, and as you can see, we have sent our Ethereum from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So let's click on Done. Your Ethereum should be visible very soon in your Trust Wallet. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.